Welcome to Ines Creation Limited, bringing ideas to life. At Ines Creation Limited, we don't just design, we bring your ideas to life with innovation, passion, and precision. As a full-service graphic design agency, we specialize in transforming concepts into visually stunning, effective designs that connect with your audience. Who we are? With 7+ year industry experience and over 600 successful projects, Ines Creation Limited is powered by a team of 6 dedicated professionals driven by creativity and excellence. We take pride in delivering high-quality, impactful designs tailored to meet the unique needs of every client, no matter the size or scope of the project. From startups to established businesses, we offer a wide range of design solutions to enhance your brand. Brand identity design like logos, color palettes, and brand guidelines that resonate. Marketing colors, flyer, brochure, poster, and business cards that captivate. Digital designs, social media graphics, website banners, and email templates that engage. Presentation design, stunning PowerPoint decks, and Canva templates that impresses stakeholders. Menu design, tailored restaurant menus and recipe books that whet appetites. Custom requests, unique projects that push creative boundaries. Here is a detailed list of services we specialize in: ebooks, print books, booklets, brochure, flyer, restaurant menu design, cookbooks or recipes, magazines, annual reports, custom PDFs, presentation or pitch decks or logo design, signage, social media posts, social media covers, annual plans, calendar design, medical rec cards, knife-shaped flags or custom flags, catalogs, product guides, product manuals or user manuals, e-commerce guide, document conversation, business cards, Canva templates, or any type of custom designs. Why I chose Ines Creation Limited? Creative expertise, a seasoned team dedicated to excellence, quick turnaround, delivering most projects within 1 and 2 days without compromising quality, client-centric approach, unlimited revision, and ongoing support to ensure your satisfaction. Premium quality, we use the best tools and resources to craft design that stand out. Versatility, from corporate design to casual and trendy visuals, we adapt to your style. Let's check out our portfolio on Behance, www.behance.net/Ines Creation Limited 2024. Contact us today. Ready to get started? Reach out to us for free consultation and see how we can elevate your brand through design. Email ineskreationlimited2024@gmail.com or Kaji Iqbal Hassan 885820@gmail.com or WhatsApp 88019878885820 or phone 880195932918. Let's work together to turn your vision into reality.